Welcome to the creative channel. I am Akilan and in this video we are going to watch how to set profile picture to our Google account. Let us watch the video now. Open your browser and go to youtube.com. Click your profile picture. Go to your channel. Click customize channel. Go to branding. Under profile picture, click upload. Choose any image which you want to use as profile picture. Crop where you want. After cropping, click save. At the top, click publish. Now we successfully uploaded the profile picture. This will take 1 or 2 hours to update everywhere. Okay friends, thanks for watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe and comment. If you want to sponsor us, please contact the email address provided in the about section. Do not hesitate to contact. While going outside, please wear a mask, maintain social distance and don't forget to sanitize your hands with a hand wash.